What if I told you one single woman held 5 different patents for everyday inventions? That is the incredible story of Mary Beatrice Davidson Kenner. She holds the record for the most US patents ever awarded to a black woman. Just look at her, a true pioneer of innovation. Mary came from a family of inventors. Her grandfather even invented a tricolor signal light for trains. When she was only 6, she tried to invent a self-oiling door hinge. Her most famous invention was the sanitary belt. A big company wanted to buy it, but when they found out she was black, they stopped the deal. It was unfair, but Mary didn't quit. She kept creating to help people, like her sister Mildred. She invented a carrier for walkers, a specialized toilet paper holder, and a backwasher device for the shower. Despite the challenges and discrimination she faced, Mary's unstoppable creativity improved daily life for millions of people. She never gave up on her brilliant ideas. Mary Kenner proved that your ideas can change the world. Never let anything stop you. Like and subscribe for more brilliant stories from the Lab of Legends.